The broadcast is now starting. All attendees
Morning,
are in
guys.
listen-only mode.
Cowbirds. Guys, very good morning. Good morning to you all. It is Friday. Don, Jock, Anthony. Morning, guys. Very good morning. Today is, of course, Friday. We wrap up the week today. There is no news. Yesterday was a obvious sell, very big down move. Order flow performed very well, as did the bot. Yesterday we left. Morning, Sophie. Very good morning to you. For those of you guys that are on trial, I think the majority of your trials will end next week. The link that you have is good for next week as well. I think most of you will end on Tuesday. In fact, all of you will end on Tuesday. I may have one trial that ends today. I will send out an email to, good morning, John. Marco, good morning. I'll send out an email to those of you that whose trials end today, or the trial that ends today. For the rest of you trials, I don't send out emails on Friday, but as an update, here is where we are on the week. We are at 4 past evaluations for the week. Doesn't get any better, guys. I guess 5 would be better. In any event, I'll read the disclaimer. We'll take a look at charts, and we'll see what we've got going on. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed for the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. NASDAQ's got good volume, not as high as yesterday, but we do have almost 80,000 contracts have traded, so we're 10, 12,000 contracts over normal volume. 1,000 net buyers, 1,100 net buyers. ES also has average volume, 3,000 net buyers. Probably going to get this unfinished auction at 72 pretty quick. We're pushing up. Gold, right at average volume, 1,000 net sellers currently. We've got unfinished auction just below and just above. Crude, decent volume, 600 plus net buyers, unfinished auction just below. I would think we're setting up for shorts. Everything is pulled up. And an unfinished auction down here at 76.12. Here comes that unfinished auction on ES. NASDAQ breaking out here above 86. Next target is 98. little bit of resistance at 8.8 at a pivot, but I think we go through that. Guess they're going to let us buy the highs if you're inclined today, fellas. I'm not. But if we get a reversal, the bot could get a nice. We're off. Trend bot. All right, trend bot's in and out on the pullback. 145. We're holding support here for now. I think we're going to push down to 53. Selling's increasing. It's right at the level that if this breaks, we're coming back to 53. It's pushing through. Got to 63. Down to 1,200 buyers. Still selling. Holding some daily support. This is an area, if it pushes, we come back to 45 potentially. That's the area I like for the long. I would buy 45. There's good support there. Yes, holding trend line support at 76. They're buying some of these back already. All right. Long above 90. Let's see here. Yeah, 88, 90. Stuart, the only thing that I do every single time is breathe. I don't do anything every time. It depends on what I'm seeing. I mean, if the market is very high up in the pre-market, I know that we're going to get a pullback for our market to buy. If we're sold off strongly, I know that we're going to get a retracement for our market to sell. I mean, some common sense applies, but if we open up flat, I'm not running the bots. Just sit tight here, guys, from an order flow perspective. We're up. All right, long on the NASDAQ. I'm going to take a long here, guys. We're up to 1,900 buyers. I'm looking for, there it is. Oh, hang on, guys. God dang it. There's 700. 800, 900, 1,100. Sorry, I didn't put the account on the screen. $2,300 buyers. $1,000. 1,300. Come on. It's got to hold 63 for me. I'm out. I'm flat. It's not a short, guys. It's not a short. God dang you. Same spot. Hit it again. It's not a short. It's fell in the same spot. There it goes. Come on. Push up to 84, 85. Come on, Ratbag. 2,600 buyers. Come on. If you guys want to take some risk up, there it is. Never mind. Target filled. Resistance is 85. There it goes. Bye. Bye. Let's push up to 713. Let's go. $1,000 on the runner. Runners. Next target for me is 06. Call it 5. 05. Nice job, Rick. Funded 2 accounts today. Nice job, brother. Oh, just missed this. Come on. Come on, push. 3,200 buyers, guys. We're not looking for shorts. We are not wanting shorts. Target filled. 1 to go. Stops at even, and I'm leaving it. All right, I'm flat. I'm flat. I'm not interested in shorts. I'm only interested in longs. Daily support here. buys at support. This may break down to 620. Now it's going to be short below VWAP. Sitting on top of the 10-minute cloud. Still 2,400 buyers. We're going to bounce. We're holding support, guys. We're holding this area of support right here at 36.75. Now we trade back to 40 maybe. ES could pull back now to 62. NASDAQ's breaking down below, trying to, the 10-minute cloud. We're at 1,300. So we've been net selling for the last 15 minutes each bar. For rejection. We're going to pull back to 26. Back to value area low. If we climb back above that, this is going to start working back up to the point of control. And 15 held for 5 handles. I'm going to take the long here, guys. It's a little bit risky here with the first target at 24. So I'll call it 22. Come on, tag that 22. Don't be a chooch. Come on. Oh, you stink face, no good dog face pony soldier. Come on, give it to me. Yep. 22 target hit and filled. All right, next. Now we got to get above that value area low and hold it. Then my next target is going to be that 45. Back to 2,000 buyers. Now they got shorts doing the herky jerky. I'm on the close button. If this pushes back up through 25, 26, I'll like this a whole lot more. If not, we got a small first target. I'm flat. I'm flat for now. I think the selling is done, though. My opinion. Anybody having inconsistent data feed from Rhythmic? I haven't heard anything or seen anything. My next long is 35, guys. Apex Trade Copier is whacked today. I don't know. Anybody else having an issue with Apex's Trade Copier? It's trying, guys. This is nothing now. That's filled in. Now it's down here. This is support down here. We're going up. We're going up. We just have to get above that damn point of control. All right, guys. I'm getting ready for a long again. As long as we're above this value area low, I'm going to be long in a second. Target, there he is. I'm long. Target 1 for me is 43. Target 1 is 43. Some sellers came back in. I'll stay with the long. We just pinged this red line is, before anybody shoots me, 38% Fibonacci retracement from yesterday, which I give a rat's ass about, but come on, you stinker. Push a little more. Target filled. Are we beating their farkin' brains in today, or are we beating their farkin' brains in? Now it's free trade. If we get through 50, 48 to 50, my next target's 7.6. Everybody good? Funded 6 accounts. You're welcome. And 5 yesterday. You're welcome, brother. Okay, I'm going to kill it. I'm flat. I'm flat. I'm up 2,400. 2405. Still like the longs, guys. 2,300 net buyers. Anybody having a hard time following? Crude is getting a bid. I still like longs, and I still think we're going to go up. I just need did we get gap fill? We got gap fill almost to the tick, within a few ticks on Qs. So, Mark, if you're concerned with the drawdown that you don't stay in trades, there is a simple solution to that. Trade smaller. If you're only trading one contract, then trade micros. Still like longs, guys. I don't have any shorts here. We're above point of control. Our value area low, and I think the only place to go is up. And we're going to work back up to the point of control eventually and value area high. There's just not a lot of momentum in the trades right now. Still like longs. ES is a fake breakdown. ES is long. We broke below that support and back up. It's a fake breakdown. It's longs, guys. I'm telling you, we're longs. Now, again, I can't tell you that we won't get pullbacks and whatnot, but this is a problem area here, this 40, 46, 47. That low volume area in the profile is a problem. Unless this thing can find some Momo and blow through it. It isn't, it isn't, believe me, I'm not the smartest guy in the room, Mark, by a long shot, but I understand levels and buyers and sellers. In fact, I'd go on record and say I'm probably one of the dumbest guys in the room because this is all I know. Well, let me say this. You have to be willing to fail in order to succeed. And I have zero fear of failure. Zero. And maybe I'm just too stupid. But I have no fear of failure. Trendbot is now long, but this is in a really bad spot. I think eventually it squeezes up through. Let's see here, Ken. These trades are the ones you have been working on before you got here, but sometimes your voice in the bot, which is Sim, has been spectacular. Plus 3,100 in a PA account after 7 days. That's what I'm talking right there. Nice job. Well, part of, you know, listen, and I'm going to be completely honest about this. My complete and utter lack of fear of failure sometimes leads me to do things that are reckless. But I have full faith and confidence in my ability to understand, what we're doing here, so that when I take a trade, but when I take a trade, I'm not taking a trade just to take a trade. I mean, I'm only looking for one direction, right? So that's the first thing. I only want longs. I'm not trying. Now, we had the short below VWAP, and I said, if we break below VWAP, it's a short. But I didn't take the short because I'm not trying to catch both directions. I'm trying to catch setups based on probabilities in one direction, which is easier to trade, which is something that you guys that have been around a long while know that I used to do, is take both sides of the trade, right? Which, increases your probabilities for loss. ES is pushing up nicely. NASDAQ is lagging. Crude is pushing up. Gold is doing nothing. And I should have bought SPY calls on that gap fill at 52. I'm just so engrossed in the NASDAQ. We're failing this low volume area. This area here is a short. Look. I'm having all kinds of issues with the bot today, myself. All kinds of issues. It's putting trades on, shutting the bot off. This is the download that I just got. So I'm not sure. I'll talk to Deepak today. But it puts trades on, cancels the trade, shuts the bot off. Anybody else having issues? This is nothing anymore. Is it beta 11? I don't know. I'll tell you. Yeah, Mark is too. I'm checking the version. It is beta 10. Beta 10. This is where we should bounce, I would think. Value area low. Well, it's interesting because these problems just showed up today. So take the bot off. We held value area low. Now the point of control is moved down to here. So that's a problem. We now have to clear point of control and then get through this little low volume area. And then we can start moving up. There's no momentum in these guys, none. So just be patient. The only thing at this point is we could break back down. It's having an inability to want to break up. More M&Ms. Back into value area low. This is a place for a trade. I think we come down to 05. I missed a nice trade. I didn't see the short at 23. Damn it. If you bring the duck, you're in. That'll do it. We couldn't get above 50. That area there. And now we just blew 05, coming back into the lows. Where is my, oh, there it is, 47. We're going to flip short again right here, but into this support at 90 area. Just sit tight, fellas. Sit tight. Nothing to do yet. There it is. Oh, almost. Come on. You're below 72. This should do it. And it did. I'll try to take a couple off here. No, you didn't do that to me. Buyers. All right. I'm flat. Puts me up 1,000. I gave a chunk back. There's a target right there. There's a $1,500 trade. 1,700. Booyah, baby. Booyah, baby. Booyah, baby. Got him again. Got him again, guys. $2,400. Who's long? Who's long? There you go, guys. There you go. I mean, my next target is 35, 36. Let's call it 33. 33. Let me take off 3. I sold 3. Being as we're messing with PA accounts now. We're trading to 35. Point of control. I've taught you guys this in order flow class. Trade them as you see fit. But that's our next target. We could pull back to 98. Don't know if we do or we don't. But here's what I'm trying for now. I'm trying for 35 and then 67. Now they got shorts sucking gas again. Back up to 1,600 buyers. I can tell you, who told me they were having problem with Apex, their trade copier. I can tell you, Joel's My accounts are all within $10 there, $5. My accounts are all within $5. One account is $10 higher on Joel's copier. I took 5. I took 5. Yeah, Mark. All right, guys. Sold 1, holding 1. Closed flat. How are you out for a loss? Nice, Deepak. How did you get out of that? Wrong keyboard. Okay, well, that's operator error. That wasn't trade error. All right, fellas. I'm going to wrap it up at this point. It was a beauteous Maximus session. Not for the bot. Bot's down 890 currently. Order flow, we just banged their heads like a cantaloupe. Trials, I'll see you all next week. Link is good for the rest of your trial. Members, I am done for the day. I will check back in, so pay attention to Skype if I send. Really good day for order flow, not a good day for the bot. You know what happens. It's down 890 as we leave. I will leave it on to see if it can get it back. I will also update to the newest version. Apparently, I don't have the newest version. You're welcome, Mark. Guys, have a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend. Be blessed. Be safe. And I'll see everybody on Monday. See you guys.